To midnight here in the quarter to 1 a.m. here in the Russian capital. You're watching RT, and first of all, news just in. An explosion at a nightclub in central Russia has killed 15 people and injured at least 60. Police and emergency crews are working on the scene in the city of Perm. Preliminary reports suggest that the massive explosion may have been caused by a fireworks display gone wrong. To other news now on the same page. NATO ministers are considering a joint missile defense system with Russia, a move seen as a restoration of trust between the sides since the South Ossetian conflict.